Here we are at 12631 Elmdale. Move-in video. There's the little apartment building next door. There's the neighbors, the neighborhood. All right, let's go inside. Nice front porch, covered. Entryway. Nice hall closet. Here we go into the living room. Nice sconces on the wall. Nice big picture window for light. Fireplace. Come into the dining room. Pretty china cabinet left here. The new tenant would like it, so we're going to leave that. Into the hallway, there's the bathroom. Bedroom number 1. The last person left a dresser and a bed. The new tenant wanted that also. There's the bathroom. Newly glazed tub. Glass block window. Bedroom number 2. Hardwood floors. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan in the dining room too. Here's the kitchen. New floor. Nice counter space and cabinets. Little dinette here. Small but nice. There was a microwave left, so the new tenant would like that also. Refrigerator and stove were here also, so she wanted those. They are her responsibility at this point. She can have those. New exhaust fan. This little landing was here and we didn't know what to do with it, so we installed a shelf there for storage. Glass block window, big basement. Furnace and water heater. This house has central air too. Hot water. This was very interesting. This is the old boiler for the house. It's too big to get out of here, but there it is. It's an antique now. There was a fridge left also, washer and dryer, and a deep freezer. So she's keeping all those. Electrical's been updated. Take a look at the backyard quick. Nice big backyard. Nice long driveway. Plenty of space to park. And that's it. 12631 Elmdale.